The TopBrewer solution has been brilliant for the centre. We were looking for coffee machines. We serve so much coffee during the day, and we were looking for a quick and easy solution, and we've got that, and it looks great as well. My name is Damian Hickman. I'm the CEO of the International Dispute Resolution Centre. Everyone knows us as the IDRC. We chose TopBrewer for probably a couple of reasons. First of all, the looks, which was very important for us. It's sleek, it's tidy. And secondly, all important for us was sustainability as well, because we've had coffee machines in the past where you have pods and we have a lot of wastage. And we're concentrating very much on the greener side of things. So that attracted us also to TopBrewer, because it's all bean to coffee, so there's no wastage. So that was important for us. We have 9 scanner mat machines, so we've got TopBrewers and we've got TopJuicers. Good for the environment, good for us, good for our clients.